안녕. Hello everyone. This is Sunny. 안녕하세요. It's a happy Saturday. I believe on May 23rd, 2026. Today's sing is gonna be Angola. It's a day 5. Are you ready? Yes. Let's go. Ready? So what is the capital of Angola? Yeah, Luanda. It's Angola, name of the country. Let's sing one more time. 한 번 더. Let's go. This is our last song, okay? Everybody, I want you to sing Angola. The capital is Luanda. Let's go! Thank you for watching sonyyu channel. Sing the world, learn together.